Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. And basically, guys, I just want to show you guys how my portfolio has been doing. And these are my futures portfolio. So I want to show you guys common mistake that I made in the past, and depending on the app, I know how I deal with it. So you can see that in my um CoinW account, I have some spot earning. You can see I have some spot earnings. And if I go into spots, I can show you what are the spot holdings that what are the cryptocurrency that I'm holding. You can see I have some Ethereum, some Solana, and some Litecoin. That is in my CoinW account, right? And if I go into my blofin account, you can see that if I go to spots, you can see I hold some Ethereum, Solana, and also Doge, and also Cardano, and some USDT Tether. So yes, guys. So you can see that if I go to my futures, as I said before, these are my futures account, but on the futures tab, you can see that it's basically zero. And I had money in this. I had, I think, about $5 here or $6 here in my blowfin futures. And when it comes to my kind W, I had about $29 here in my futures, and you can see that it's zero. So the thing with me is whenever I'm trading futures, I go high high risk. That's my high risk portfolio, and I do this with my small amount of portfolio, like less than 1% of my portfolio. And I basically trade with cents. If I have $1, I will put it into spot and I'll keep it there. So yes, guys. So I to build these account, I build them with cents. Cents. That's how I build these accounts to where they are now. And of course, I lose. The market went down, and I lose about so $7 and 30 something. That's around $40. So and I lose. So I made $100 and I lose around $60. So I still lose. I still lose $20, right? I still lose. I would say I lose, even though I haven't lose because my capital is still here. Like I have a little bit over my capital, but I still lose because I had that money there, but it's just gone because I was so Irish, right? And that's the thing when you're trading futures. So I want to show you how I was able to save some of of my earnings on my kind W just by trading the futures, taking profit and buying spots. So I was able to do that, right? With both portfolios, my blowfin and my kind W. But guys, for my Margex account, before they didn't have the converter. So as I explained to you in the other videos that I share with you about Margex, is that when you deposit your spot cryptocurrency on Margex, right? That's the margin you're gonna trade. So you're trading that spot with the margin. So if that cryptocurrency that you're using as the margin goes down, your whole portfolio will crash because you're using. It's not like you're using USDT or USDC. You're using you, a cryptocurrency for the margin. So if that cryptocurrency goes up, your portfolio goes up. If the cryptocurrency itself, which is the margin, goes down, you will lose all your earning. And that's what happened with my portfolio, and it got liquidated. You can see zero, right? So now that they offer the converter, once I made some profit, and I'm going to share with you guys this now, just as I've done with the kind W account, and my blofin account, I will able to save back something from my profit. Can you imagine see your profit at $100 and you trade that from like $5, like 2 cents, two not 2 cents, like $2 to $5, and then to watch that portfolio just go down. Ah, if it was in spot, I would be okay. But then again, too, guys, I always say when I'm trading futures, if that portfolio goes to zero, that's okay for me because I know how I got here. I got here by just clicking some button, even though I got everything by just clicking some button and using my brain. But for the futures, I don't, if I have $1 in cryptocurrency, I'm gonna think twice before I put it in futures. Like that's all I see my cryptocurrency as important. And $1 in uh the currency can be more in that cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency goes up faster and it goes down faster as well. So you can have $1 currency, and last thing you know, you have $5 currency in that same asset. Nothing changes. So just want to keep that with you. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be putting some earnings back into this account, and I'm gonna share with you guys how I do that, how much I put, whatever, right? And I'm going to show you guys how I build this portfolio again. So I won't take any earnings from my spot earnings. Like my spot earnings will just stay there until they can't stay there anymore. Until there is just this one thing telling me you better sell. Yeah. So that's what it is. So these are just my portfolio that I used to just play around with, and now they're at zero. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So I'm gonna share you guys how I do that. Yes, guys. For my spot portfolios, they're all still in profit. They're all, and I still go ahead and buy again on the dip. Yeah. But I know what to buy on the dip. I mostly buy Bitcoin on the dip and asset that I'm staking. So let's say I have cryptocurrency, but they're not earning me yield, or they're not like scarce. Um, I think Ethereum is a little bit scarce depending on the how it how it's how it's it how it work. Like they're burning it, right? And if a lot, let's say you have Ethereum but you're not using it, you're just keeping it and you're not using it, your your debt your Ethereum is going down lesser and lesser, and it's getting more harder and harder to buy. But let's say more people are using the Ethereum platform, then basically um you can earn, oh sorry guys, you can, just 1 second. Yeah, so you can earn more just by doing that because they're burning less than they're basically using. So just to keep that into consideration. But then you have to know how, you have to understand, like guys, like just learn. Don't just buy, just learn about the cryptocurrencies. Yeah. So yeah. And what I want to share with you guys today, I have a lot of cryptocurrencies to cash out, like a lot, a lot. And this is the best time to cash them out too because the market is a little bit down. Even though it's still high, like I'm still in profit, like a whole lot. Like I'm still like 30%, and some portfolios still 60% in profit on those portfolios. So this little down is just like, huh, I'm still in profit. Just yeah, so yeah. So that's what I'm saying, guys. And yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. Like, if you don't know what you're doing, your portfolio will just go to zero. You just wake up, probably you'll just on the phone, and you're thinking it's gonna go up, and then it's going down, and you think, oh yeah, it's just now it's gonna just now it's gonna go up, and then yeah, zero. Yeah. So I don't fight it at all. I don't fight it when the market is going down. I just either watch it or I don't watch it. I watch a movie, yeah. But I don't try to like add more money. No. Unless I do that, unless the market is, let's say I'm in a trade and I will do that just to top up my trade. But uh yeah, but that's just with um small percentage of my portfolios. But for these one, I just let them go to zero. Like I was thinking like, should I close them or should I just let them go to zero? And I was like, let them go to zero. I don't know how I think like that. Like I was thinking, should I let these go to zero or should I close them? And I no, I'm just like gonna let them go to zero. And yeah, I had $17, 17 around $18 US, around 18 dollars, and I just let it go to zero. Yeah, I when I check it, is around it was about 12, $11, and I'm just like, forget it. So yeah, so I'm gonna share with you guys again how I build back another account, but this time I will keep some of my earning because this platform, which is the Margex, they now have convert. So I can convert some of my earning into lower risk. I can convert them over to so if I have, let's say I have some Ethereum, right? I can convert that Ethereum to USDT Tether, and then I can take that Tether and go to my spot, and then I could buy spot. You understand what I'm saying? So, because what happened with my portfolio, I use all of my margin to do futures. So, because my margin was, I use all my margin, even if I close the trade, my margin will still go because I use up all my margin. So, that's what it is. But if I wasn't using that underlying asset, let's say I was just using, let's say I have Bitcoin and I have Ethereum and I have Litecoin. And let's say I was only using Litecoin to trade, that's my margin. I would still have my Ethereum and Bitcoin spot because I wasn't using them as margin, if you understand, to trade. So yeah, I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. I just want to share it with you guys that it's not always up, up, up. It's sometimes down, down, down. I say this all the time. The market don't go one way. And the one way that most people think the market goes is up. No, the market can go down and it can go up. But if you're in spot position, like you're cool, you're good if you're in spot. The problem comes when you're in the futures trading and you don't have enough margin to cover whether you're going short or whether you're going long. If you don't have enough to cover your shorts, you're getting liquidated. And if you don't have enough, if the market is going up to cover your shorts, to cover your longs, if the market is going down, you're getting liquidated as well. So guys, yeah, I will be still be sharing with you guys free way how to earn cryptocurrency, and I also want to say to you guys that if you're scared of the market going up and down, you should consider buying only spot. That's okay too. For me, I just trade a little just to buy spot. I'm a more of a spot buyer than a future trader. I just trade future because I just want to see what happens. Like if I put this in a 5x leverage, what can happen? That's basically what I do. Yeah, but what if it goes to like a certain amount of money, like $1 or more? I'm taking that out and putting it into spot. So it's just yeah. That's the reason why I'm so risky when it comes to leverage. When not left when it comes to futures trading, I'm very risky. I will just risk everything in that portfolio. I just yeah, because I will just risk it and leave it. And that's the thing. If you know that you're a person that just buy and leave, you better trade, you better buy spots. Don't buy futures, because futures, you gotta keep your eye on that. And I'm not the one that to just keep my eye on it. No, I wanna free my mind and go about. So yeah. So guys, I hope you find value in all my content. If there is any cryptocurrency that you want to earn and you want to, like, you're interested in and you want to earn, you can comment down below and let me know and ask, and then I'll let you know if I'll have any app or so, because some of the apps I have, but I don't earn and them anymore, because they're either earning me to a small amount, so I don't earn, but I still have them and I still know about them. So if you are interested, you can go and let me know. If you're interested in Shibu Inu or those small caps, I have apps that basically um earn with those as well. Or you can just check out my channel, you can see I share with you guys, or you can earn those. So yeah, guys. I've been talking for a while. Yeah. So I just want to say thank you. And before I go, I just want to say always remember, guys, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.